Welcome you all to JK Wisdom Well. Today we are going to see the first lesson in Learning Tamil series. Tamil is the one of the oldest classical language in the world. I am very happy to teach you Tamil through this video program. Alphabets in Tamil. There are 247 letters in Tamil. It can be categorized like vowels, consonants, vowels plus consonant, and a special letter. Vowels. Vowels means உயிர் எழுத்துக்கள் in Tamil. உயிர் means soul. எழுத்து means letter. So there are 12 vowels in Tamil. Consonant. Consonant means மெய் எழுத்துக்கள் in Tamil. மெய் means body. Already I have told you. எழுத்துக்கள் means letters. There are 18 consonants in Tamil. When vowels and consonants join together, it will give உயிர்மெய் எழுத்துக்கள். There are 216 உயிர்மெய் எழுத்துக்கள் in Tamil. There is special letter ஆயுத எழுத்து. There is one ஆயுத எழுத்து in Tamil. Wherever the lu comes, I have put ZHU. We have to write lu as ZHU. It is special letter in Tamil. Now we are going to see 12 vowels in Tamil. These are 12 vowels. உயிர் எழுத்துக்கள் in Tamil. A, A, I, E, U, U, Ye, Ye, I, O, O, Au, Ag. This is the way it should be pronounced. From the next slide, we will see how to write each letters and how it should be pronounced. We will see with examples. A should be written like this. This is A. If you see A and A, it will look the same, only the difference will be this part. This part will be added extra. So this is A, this is A. Example, the pronunciation example for A are A ambition, A ultimate, A apple. The pronunciation example for A other, A orange, A and on. So the difference between A and A is the time duration to pronounce this word. If you pronounce the word in only 1 second, it is A. It will take only 1 second to pronounce. But the pronunciation is extended to another second. It is called A. This is A, this is A. So the next set of words are E and E. How should be the E and E written? So this is E. If you see the structure of E, it looks a little difficult to write, but you can write it easily if you practice it for a few more times. So E should be written like this. E. You have to write like this. E. Then E. Writing E will be very easy. See, like this you will write E. between these two legs, one dot and here one dot, E. The difference between E and E. See the example, pronunciation example. Intelligent, improvement, investigation. And if you see the examples for E, eagle, easy, eat, the same different what we have seen for a and a. Here also the same different comes. If you pronounce it in only 1 second, it is E. If you pronounce it more than 1 second, it is E. E, E. The next set of letters are U, U. So this is how you have to write U. And U also will be looking like U only. The difference is above the U, there will be a extra letter. So combination of these two letter U. This is U. If you read this example, you will understand it how to pronounce U. To book good. If you remove this B and K, you get the pronunciation of U. The pronunciation of U will be like this: broom, groom, to. By pronouncing broom itself, you will come to know what is the difference between U and U. It will take more than 1 second to pronounce. U, U, U. The next letter is A and A. The difference between A and A structure wise is this part is different. Otherwise, it will look same. This is A, this is A. You have to write like this. A. A, you will write like this. A. Now we'll see the pronunciation examples for A and A. Ever, education, edit. It will be very short. It will take only 1 second to pronounce. But if you see A, see the examples of A. Alien, Yate, Asians. The same thing. If you pronounce it in 1 second, A. If you are extending the pronunciation to 1 more second, it is A. Next letter is I. How to write I? So it should be written like this: I. The pronunciation examples for I is idea, ice, iodine. This also will take more than 1 second to pronounce. So it should be pronounced I. The next set of words are O and O. O and O. See, the both will look same, but only difference between O and O is this part. This part is the different. Here one more round will come. You have to twist this end of the O. The pronunciation example for O are 1. Ocean, omit. The pronunciation examples for O, own, ozone, orient. Here also we can observe the same difference between O and O. If you pronounce it in only 1 second, O. If the pronunciation is extended to another 1 second, it is O. You can easily distinguish them. The last letter in vowels, that is also called Uyaraluthu, ow. The front part of the ow will be like O. It is O only. But when the combination of these two comes, it will be called ow. So there is a word in Tamil, avayar. So it will be written like this, avayar. So there is one more word in Tamil. If this word comes separately, it will be called la. So some people, if these two words comes together, they will read wala. No. It should not be read like this. It should be read ow. If these two words comes together, it should be read ow. Examples for ow: out, shout. If you remove this sh and t, you will get the pronunciation of ow, out. And one special character is there in Tamil, which is called ag. Ag. The pronunciation example for ag is acknowledge. Ag. So this is one of the special character which is in Tamil. So far we have seen how the vowels can be pronunciated. See this. With respect to the pronunciation of vowels, it can be categorized to two categories. One is short vowels, another one is long vowels. If the time taken to pronounce the word is only 1 second, then it is called short vowels. It will be called kuril in Tamil, kuril. But if the time taken to pronounce the word is more than 1 second, it was extended to another one more second, then it will be called long vowels, nedil. There are 7 nedils in Tamil. Now we will pronounce one by one. Short vowels: a, e, u, e, ow. Long vowels: a, e, u, e, I, o, ow. Like this, they should be pronounced. If you see a and a, it will look same. If you see u and u, it will look same. The only difference is this tail is extra for a. Here this comes extra in u, and this part comes extra in a. O in the o, this part comes extra in o. In now, addition to o, this has come. So you can easily remember these 12 letters. In the next video, we will see what are the consonants are there in Tamil and how to write it, and we will also see how to pronounce it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any comments on this video, you can mail to this mail address. We will read this mail and we will reply to your comments. And if you have any extra queries also, if you want something need to be corrected also, you can mail to us. We'll do the needful. Thank you so much for watching this video.